An incident simulation is about to take place. We are going to have the President of Poland witness the simulation of fire incident and several other incidents. We will be using the fire engine prototype that has been created courtesy of PCPR. We have a incident where the members of the public have called in for the fire engine. There is a fire outbreak, as you can all see from the smoke. There is several shops in this building that we will be evacuating. The fire engine we are using is a prototype that has been built courtesy of the funding of PCPR. The first drill that we are going to witness is a ladder drill, where we will be doing rescue by carrying down with a ladder. Training has been effected by the funding of PCPR. Another victim on the second floor of the building, he will be brought down using the ladder. We also have a fire incident with the firefighters are going to suppress. The ladder is being extended, and then we will have a firefighter go up and rescue the
Thanks.
President simulation is a Buddha Island, which is a prototype
Aneta już chyba. A nie, dobra.
The victim who is on the ground is trapped under the vehicle. We will use a partner cutter, a combi tool, to lift the vehicle to assist in removing the patient. The trained staff, courtesy of PCPM, are able to assess the patient. They are able to manage the patient's injuries, and then they will immobilize the spine board, and then they will evacuate. You can see the vehicle is being lifted. Once you lift the vehicle, you stabilize the vehicle using choking block. Then the victim is removed. The victim has been assessed on the front. Now we assess the victim at the back using a log roll procedure, and then they are placed on the spine board. The training is available, the skills are available, but we have a challenge on facility, on equipment. An ideal scenario, this victim should have been put in an ambulance. As of now, and many a times, we use the fire engine to evacuate to hospital. Once the victim has been immobilized to the spine board, now he can be evacuated to hospital. Ongoing assessment will be done inside the ambulance. The firefighters in attendance are trained on emergency medical services procedures. We have emergency medical technicians within that team that are certified. That is an ideal scenario within our roads where we have a lot of road traffic accidents, having the traffic system where we call Boda Boda, the two-wheel traffic. It happens a lot. Like this is an everyday event in our roads. Let's appreciate our team that has just finished the execution. Thank you so much. In our simulation building, we have another patient who was trapped in the incident, and we will be using rope rescue techniques to bring down the victim. The training has done a lot in Kenya. It is one of the most used skills for rescue and recovery of bodies in pits, in latrines, in wells. This is rope rescue, where we have a victim and we have a rescuer. The rescuer is one of our ladies. The rescuer is one of our ladies who is trained in rescue training. Some years ago, a few years ago, this was not possible in Kenya. But through training, we can comfortably rescue victims from high-rise buildings, and in reverse, you can use the same procedure to take a rescuer into a pit or a well. The last incident that this procedure was used was 250 feet, where we recovered a body, and that was we recovered one victim who was alive, and that was 2 weeks ago. Let's appreciate that team. Thank you very much. Let's appreciate them. That training has completely been done by PCPM. This has been taught by Polish instructors. It was not available in Kenya. But as of today, we have it at the Fire and Rescue Training Center, Fire Truck, where we've conducted over 60% of training for firefighters in Kenya, courtesy of PCPM.